Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. For many of us, Zoom is one of the go-to tools for business video calls. And when we're setting up a brand new device, it's a basic application to download and install. But you need to be careful because researchers have discovered 6 fake download sites. And if you get Zoom from one of those, you could accidentally install malware. That malicious software could give cybercriminals access to your bank info, passwords, and your browser history. This is an easy threat to avoid. Just make sure you download Zoom from its own website. It's a good idea to remind your team about this. The best long-term protection for your business is a blend of smart software constantly monitoring for danger, plus fun security training for your people. Humans are always the strongest first line of defense. Keeping you safe is one of our superpowers. Get in touch and we'll tell you more. That's your tech update. More next week.